Hi guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you today my third rap that I've written. I call it Miss You, and I want to know what you guys think about it. So hope you guys listen and enjoy. Every time I sit and think, I always reminisce about the times we had and the little things I miss. And the time passes more when I see my wrist. So I hope you understand here, let me write the list. The way you reacted when I kissed your shoulders, and when we lay down, the way I used to hold you, and how you felt safe when you were cuddled in my arms. How I was comfortable sharing with you on my floors. Love the way you covered your face when you blush. Miss your skin and the feel of your soft touch. Miss the way your lips felt when they were on mine. How you was there for me, for my lows and my highs. Love the way me and you were so different, but the same. It's kinda hard to explain it, but you always knew exactly what I meant, and you understood me even when I didn't. When it came to you, I felt like I was in the lab, and I created you with all the little dreams I had, and what I want in a girl, and how she made me feel. And I met you, I couldn't believe you were real. I miss your eyes, your smiles, and your sweet scent. Miss the love you had for me, I wonder where it went. And I blame myself for ever pushing you away. Just hated not being with you for another day. And I don't think you'll ever know what you mean to me. Loved you so much that you became my family. And your heart is where I considered home. And now I look by my side and you were gone. And I know I've done this 1,000 times, and I'll do it 1,000 more. I apologize. I just wish I had another chance to try to get you to fall for me again. There's a lot more about you that I miss, but not all of it will fit on this list. But everything I did say, it stands true. Shit, I miss and love everything about you. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and the person who I wrote this for, I hope you enjoyed it the most. Thanks for listening.